What's going on, everybody? It is your host, Nick, also known as Cruiser Media here, back at it again with another video. Today, we've got another shoot going on, so this is going to be kind of a behind the scenes. I apologize for the shaky camera. Back of my phone actually shattered from my fault of my own, so I can't keep my magnet on and I can't put it on my little mount. So you're just going to have to deal with the shaky hand for this intro. But right now, we are headed to go pick up my buddy Alex because he's coming on this shoot with me. And then once we grab him, we're going to be heading off. This spot is super cool, you guys. It's a shipping container spot and then like a factory as well. So it's super industrial, looks pretty awesome. And the lighting is going to be perfect when we get there. So today we're going to be shooting a IS-250, I believe, that is on bags and something similar to TE-37s. It might actually be on TE-37s. I don't really know. This guy hit me up at the last second today and was like, hey man, I'm down to book a shoot. And I was like, oh, perfect. Well, I've got time. And so this is a last minute shoot. I didn't really check this guy's car out too much beforehand. But it's going to be fun. You know, we're going to take some pictures. It's going to be a little BTS video kind of deal. So we are just about to be pulling up to my buddy Alex's house, and then we will go ahead and continue with this video. So I will pick it up either once we get to the spot or a little bit before we get to the spot, something like that. Maybe I'll try and catch him as he's rolling up or something. So yeah, guys, I will see you all in a second. We're always looking for the best angles out here, you know? That's how we do. Man, this thing is so clean. Yeah, that's a nice shot. This is why we love coming here, boys. Check this, it's just, you know, train cars just sitting there. Beautiful spot. So we're out here with AB Photography. His link will be in the description, guys. Go ahead and give him a follow. And then this is Denver JDM. Of course, all the links will be in the description below. So feel free to go check out everybody featured in this video. Alex, Denver JDM on Instagram. Any links will be in the description, of course. And yeah, it's honestly been so long since I've shot a stance car. It's so nice. Check this out. These pics are gonna be insane. Alright guys, so this is the last bit of the shoot here, over at this nice spot. I think we're about to climb all the way up there. No, just kidding. Here we are, we're just focusing on the last bit of details, doing some interior, and then we're gonna be wrapping this one up. Hey guys, Nick here, back at it again. Kind of forgot to do an outro when it was still light out. We ended up shooting a little bit later than expected. But anyways, I hope that you did enjoy the video, and if you did, do me a favor, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and once again, check the links in the description below for everybody's Instagrams and where you can find them. And I will see you all in the next video. This has been Nick, and I am out of here.